Estate planning, ensuring your legacy and protecting your assets. Hello, and welcome to our comprehensive guide on estate planning. Today, we're going to dive deep into the importance of estate planning, wills, and trusts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to update your existing plans, this video will provide you with the knowledge you need to protect your assets and ensure a smooth transfer of wealth to your loved ones. First, let's talk about why estate planning is so crucial. Estate planning is the process of arranging the management and disposal of a person's estate during their life and after death. It involves creating a plan that outlines how your assets will be distributed, who will take care of your minor children, and who will make decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. Without a proper estate plan, your assets could be subject to lengthy legal processes, higher taxes, and potential disputes among your heirs. An effective estate plan typically includes several key components: a will, trusts, powers of attorney, beneficiary designations, and sometimes, a living will or healthcare directive. Each of these elements serves a unique purpose in ensuring your wishes are carried out and your loved ones are protected. Let's start with wills. A will is a legal document that sets forth your wishes regarding the distribution of your property and the care of any minor children. If you die without a will, the laws of your state will determine how your estate is distributed, which may not align with your desires. Creating a will involves naming an executor, the person responsible for managing your estate, and specifying your beneficiaries, the people or entities who will receive your assets. You can also designate guardians for your minor children, ensuring they are cared for by someone you trust. To help us understand more about wills, we're joined by Jane Doe, an estate planning attorney. Jane, can you explain the importance of having a will and what happens if someone dies without one? Thanks, Jane.
Of course. Having a will is essential because it provides clear instructions on how you want your assets distributed after your death. It can help avoid disputes among family members and ensure your wishes are honored. Without a will, your estate will go through intestate succession, where the state's laws determine who inherits your property. This can be a lengthy and costly process, and the outcome may not reflect your wishes.
Now, let's move on to trusts. Trusts are another critical component of estate planning that can provide significant benefits, such as avoiding probate, reducing estate taxes, and protecting assets from creditors. There are several types of trusts, each serving different purposes. The most common types are revocable living trusts, irrevocable trusts, and testamentary trusts. A revocable living trust allows you to maintain control of your assets during your lifetime and transfer them to your beneficiaries upon your death without going through probate. An irrevocable trust, on the other hand, cannot be modified after it is created and can provide benefits such as asset protection and tax reduction. To give us more insights into trusts, we're joined by John Smith, a financial advisor. John, can you explain the differences between revocable and irrevocable trusts and how they can be used in estate planning?
Sure. A revocable living trust is flexible, allowing you to make changes as your circumstances evolve. It's a popular choice because it helps avoid probate, making the transfer of assets smoother and more private. An irrevocable trust, however, once established, cannot be altered. This type of trust is often used for asset protection and estate tax planning, as the assets placed in an irrevocable trust are removed from your taxable estate.
Thanks, John. Now, let's discuss the importance of powers of attorney in estate planning. A power of attorney is a legal document that grants someone you trust the authority to make decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. There are two main types of powers of attorney: financial and healthcare. A financial power of attorney allows your designated agent to manage your financial affairs, while a healthcare power of attorney enables your agent to make medical decisions for you. We're back with Jane Doe to discuss powers of attorney. Jane, why is it important to have both a financial and healthcare power of attorney as part of your estate plan?
Having both types of powers of attorney is crucial because they ensure that someone you trust can make decisions on your behalf if you're incapacitated. Without these documents, your family might have to go through a court process to appoint a guardian, which can be time-consuming and stressful. A financial power of attorney allows your agent to manage your finances, pay bills, and handle other financial matters, while a healthcare power of attorney ensures that your medical preferences are followed.
Thanks, Jane. Another important aspect of estate planning is beneficiary designations. These are forms you fill out when you open financial accounts or purchase insurance policies, designating who will receive the assets upon your death. It's essential to review and update your beneficiary designations regularly, especially after major life events such as marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child. These designations override instructions in your will, so keeping them current is crucial. Let's move on to the importance of keeping your estate plan up to date. Life is constantly changing, and so should your estate plan. Regular reviews and updates ensure that your plan reflects your current wishes and circumstances. Review your estate plan at least every 3 to 5 years or after significant life events. This includes updating your will, trusts, powers of attorney, and beneficiary designations. Jane, can you share some tips on when and how often people should update their estate plans?
Absolutely. You should update your estate plan after major life events such as marriage, divorce, the birth or adoption of a child, the death of a beneficiary or executor, significant changes in your financial situation, or changes in estate tax laws. Even if none of these events occur, it's still a good idea to review your plan every 3 to 5 years to ensure it continues to meet your needs and goals.
Thank you, Jane. Lastly, let's talk about the importance of communicating your estate plan to your loved ones. Having an open and honest conversation about your wishes can help prevent misunderstandings and conflicts in the future. Discussing your estate plan with your beneficiaries and executors ensures that everyone understands your wishes and knows what to expect. This can also help address any potential concerns or questions they may have. To help us understand how to have these conversations, we're joined by Sarah Johnson, a family counselor. Sarah, what advice do you have for families discussing estate planning?
It's important to approach these conversations with empathy and clarity. Start by explaining your intentions and the reasons behind your decisions. Encourage open dialogue and be prepared to answer questions. It can also be helpful to involve a neutral third party, such as an estate planning attorney or financial advisor, to facilitate the discussion and provide clarity on complex issues.
Thank you, Sarah. In conclusion, estate planning is a vital process that ensures your legacy is protected and your assets are transferred smoothly to your loved ones. By creating a comprehensive estate plan that includes a will, trusts, powers of attorney, and up-to-date beneficiary designations, you can provide peace of mind for yourself and your family. Remember to review and update your estate plan regularly, communicate your wishes to your loved ones, and seek professional guidance to navigate the complexities of estate planning. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need assistance with your estate planning, don't hesitate to reach out to a qualified professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.